Hi everyone, today I want to talk about chrysanthemums or mums for fall decorating. So we're now seeing all the chrysanthemums or mums come in for fall decorating. And although these are hardy in some climates, in colder climates like mine, they are a challenge to put into the landscape and carry them over the winter. So when you grow these plants or you use them for fall decorating, when they come into the store is when you want to purchase them. When the buds aren't fully open like this. Once they're in full bloom like this one, they are only going to bloom once for you if you have a short fall season before winter hits. So you want to find ones with buds that aren't open yet and then add them to your containers or pots for fall decorating. And there is a variety of colors here. We have all sorts of different bronzes, yellows, whites, there's even pinks, and of course our favorites are the lavenders or purple, even before pink. Now you can plant chrysanthemums in the landscape. They look great in a border. You can put them in containers and make them stand out. You can do a feature arrangement with them. They aren't going to get too high. These ones are only about a foot high and they're very dense in their flowers and in their structure. For instance, this particular one will come out with a hint of orange on here. It almost looks sun-kissed, and then it turns more to a vibrant yellow. When we get into chrysanthemums in the purple tones, we're talking about deep, rich purples, magentas here, or light, crisp lavender tones with smaller flowers. These ones are much larger. Once again, these are classified as ornamentals. In my cold climate, my zone 3, I have tried growing these in the landscape and they've been hit and miss. I might be able to keep them over for one season and then the next winter they're gone. But they're perfect for arrangement. You see, a lot of people will put these into window boxes, combine them with your pumpkins, your gourds, your sunflowers, and grasses, short grasses, and they are beautiful. But get them before they're in full bloom. This is one of my favorites here because I am an orange lover, and this is the bronze. And I'm going to show you how these are labeled. And this is what they have at Home Depot here. And I see them everywhere. They're just called a garden mum, and they're in 1 gallon pails. So if you want to use these, that's great. If you get them with their buds not open, even better, and hopefully not wilting. Just be prepared that they're going to bloom once and then there'll be sporadic bloom here and there. You will not get the color all fall long because they take a while to rejuvenate. You can feed them and try to get more color off of them, but there's no guarantees that they'll flower again. They take a long time to rebloom after the first flush. This is the magenta, red, bronze tone, and not the orange. This is more of a red, pinky tone. This is what they look like in full bloom. Once again, they're called just a 1 gallon mum. And this is what they will look like in your window boxes, your containers, and in your border in full bloom. They are stunning. And you can see the colors of them together with the purple tones. So I'm just going to walk through and show you the different colors that you can add. Now this one here is a really good buy. These are $8.48 for container. You're getting a really nice size container. This is Cheryl Sparkling Yellow Garden Mum. There is a bit of information on it other than it's a profusion of color, late season, landscape, and containers. Likes well-drained, fertile soil, keep them moist, water freely in dry weather, remove faded flowers, full sun, 10 to 20 centimeters high, space them about 30 to 60 centimeters apart. This is a really good display that Home Depot has, so you can see all the mums. And from what I've seen in town where I live, this is the best variety of mums there is. I haven't been to greenhouses yet because they're just starting to get these in, but Home Depot's always early with getting their plants in. And you can just see here the variety of colors here. And these are all $8.48. But the problem is they're early and they're already in bloom. You can also get mixed containers in a variety of different colors and types of mums, nicely mounted in a circular pattern. That's the nice thing about mums, is they keep their shape and they're very tolerant of wind. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you decide you want to add some mums to your window boxes, containers, your garden beds, on your deck, on your sidewalk, in raised beds, planters, etc., they are gorgeous. They will reward you with an abundance of blooms, dense foliage, and wind tolerant. Aren't they stunning? Thanks, everybody.